Well, good morning, folks. Northeast Georgia EAS here. As you can see by my last upload an hour ago, there was a severe thunderstorm watch issued, but it was only for the northern Tennessee counties, upstate South Carolina, and the far western North Carolina counties. It was on WWG82, nothing on KXI22 yet, as you can see. I have WWG82 on the scanner here. What the freak is this?
KXI-75 provides service to Georgia.
It's a public information statement regarding KXI-75. KXI-75 is actually back on the air, even though it's still reading that. We are under a slight risk of severe weather, almost enhanced risk. Wouldn't be surprised if that got pushed on down just a little bit later on this evening. We are expected to have a severe thunderstorm watch or a tornado watch later on this evening as well. But I did look there. The National Weather Service did tell me the required weekly test will be issued later in about 6 minutes. As you can see, 6 minutes. So we're still getting RWT today, and plus maybe some more alerts. So this is my second alert for today, and I have a feeling today is going to be full of alerts. So the further I do, we're going to sit here and we're going to wait until the required weekly test. So yeah, that's going to be about it for right now. Like I said, more severe weather coming in later. So who knows what's going to happen. I'm also here with Mr. Champ. Yeah, Bubba. So, yeah. We're just going to wait on the required weekly test, and we'll see you in a few.
Each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation,
Successful.
Been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of the brass-down ball Blue Ridge transmitters. This includes the following Georgia counties under the brass-down ball transmitter: Fannin, Lumpkin, Towns, Union, and White in Georgia, and Clay County, North Carolina. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Blue Ridge transmitter: Fannin and Gilroy in Georgia, and Cherokee County in North Carolina, and Polk County in Tennessee.
I haven't used this radio in a long time. One of my favorites.
We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
Awesome.
NOAA Weather Radio transmitter
Ooh, what's this?
Blue Ridge. KXI-75 on 162.475 is back in service. KXI-75 provides service to the Georgia counties of Fannin and Gilmer, the North Carolina county of Cherokee, and the Tennessee county of Polk. Alternate service for the affected areas can be received from transmitters at Chatsworth, WXK52 on 162.400, Brassbound Ball, KXI-22 on 162.500, Chattanooga, WXK48 on 162.550, in Robbinsville, WWG82 on 162.525. Weather information is also available from weather.gov/Atlanta. Here is the official
Awesome.
forecast from